Have you noticed that standing up from a chair feels a bit harder lately? Or that climbing stairs leaves your legs more tired than before? These small changes often happen slowly, so many people ignore them at first. But over time, weaker leg muscles can affect balance, movement, and independence. The good news is that what you eat can play a big role in keeping your legs strong. Certain everyday foods can help support muscle strength, energy, and stability as you age. In this video, we'll reveal several powerful foods that may help keep your legs strong and steady. Make sure you watch until the end. You might be surprised by the number one food. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a powerful source of complex carbohydrates that provide steady energy throughout the day. Unlike foods that cause quick spikes and crashes in blood sugar, sweet potatoes release energy slowly, helping muscles stay fueled for longer periods. They also contain potassium and beta-carotene. Potassium supports proper muscle contraction and may help prevent cramps, while beta-carotene acts as an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. Roasted, mashed, or added to soups, sweet potatoes can be a simple and nutritious addition to meals. Number 5. Oats. Oats are well known for providing lasting energy. Their slow-digesting carbohydrates help stabilize blood sugar levels and support endurance throughout the day. For people who feel their legs becoming tired quickly, oats may help maintain more consistent energy. In addition to carbohydrates, oats provide plant-based protein, magnesium, and iron. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation and recovery, while iron helps carry oxygen to muscles, which is essential for strength and stamina. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can contribute to joint stiffness and muscle discomfort, especially with aging. They also contain potassium and vitamin E, both of which support muscle function and recovery. Adding avocado to salads, toast, or smoothies can help provide nutrients that support flexibility and healthy movement. Number 3. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, which can weaken muscle tissue over time. They also provide vitamin C, which supports collagen production. Collagen is important for maintaining healthy muscles, tendons, and joints. Regularly adding berries to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies is a simple way to support both muscle and overall health. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is widely known for its high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Protein provides the amino acids needed for muscle repair, while omega-3 fats help reduce inflammation and support circulation. Better circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to muscles, which may improve recovery and endurance. Eating salmon a few times per week can contribute to a balanced diet that supports muscle strength. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are often considered one of the most complete natural protein foods. They contain all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and maintenance. Eggs also provide vitamin D, which supports bone health and muscle coordination. In addition, eggs contain choline and B, vitamins that support nerve function and energy metabolism. Including 1 or 2 eggs in daily meals can be a practical way to support muscle health. Maintaining strong legs is important for mobility, balance, and independence as we age. A balanced diet combined with regular physical activity can help support muscle, strength, and overall well-being. Before making significant dietary changes, it is always wise to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. Small, consistent habits like adding nutrient-rich foods to your meals can make a meaningful difference in maintaining strength and vitality over time.